So this is the Hoover Dam in all its damned glory.
It's actually way more impressive than I thought it would be.
That is the world's first 6-star hotel there, as you can see. That's where you park on the sides.
Doesn't it look so fancy?
That's a fancy Walmart.
Look at all the debris from the rocks there on top.
Hotel debris. And it is free to get in. It is free to get in. That is the answer to the question on everyone's lips right now. It is free. So don't worry. Just pull off the road between Nevada and Arizona, and you will end up right here. Here's the bridge.
What's the name of the bridge again?
A memorial bridge by Pat Boone and Pat Benatar.
Stop making it up.
Yeah. Mike O'Callaghan. And Pat Tillman. He was a football player turned soldier who I think died. So they.
What? Is that true?
Read the signs.
Is it true?
It is true.
I'm
So
busy taking pictures.
they dedicated it to him. It cost $240 million to construct, and they were pouring tons of concrete into the sort of fill space for days on end.
And everybody died.
Months on end.
And everybody died, right?
Yeah, but then they came back to life for the after party and drank
And the
lots
zombies
of
enjoyed the bridge.
of spritzes and various stuff.
Look, cops.
There's a police car. Serious business. Don't come in with propane tanks, otherwise they will take them from you and use them for their own family camping. And I feel like on the wages they are on, they should probably buy their own propane. So don't worry about that. Okay, you can see the white bits at the bottom of the mountain. They actually bought those from the White Cliffs of Dover in the UK. They are not natural here. And they slapped it on with a bit of sellotape. A bit of duct tape around the edges.
I thought they used crazy glue. That's what I read.
It could be. Could be that 3M glue. Imagine how much glue you would need.
Hey, don't drop my phone in there.
Yeah, and if you drop your phone...
Don't do it, don't do it.
If you drop your phone...
Stop!
You're never getting it back.
Don't drop my iPhone.
So watch out. I dropped my camera earlier.
No, you didn't.
But because I'm so boiling, I left.
And pulled your other camera out of your pocket. It's actually my camera.
Yes. Okay, this is the Hoover Dam, featured on Beavis and Butthead Do America. Right before, I think they made the dam explode actually, they got in the control center.
You mean featured on Sean's and Alita's YouTube?
And that too. Okay, say bye.